Celebrate Dia de los Muertos with these 3 mezcal cocktails. These cocktails are perfect to pay homage for Dia de los Muertos and pay homage to the vibrant and rich flavors of Mexican ingredients. For these Day of the Dead cocktails, we're going to be using Mezcal Firme from their limited edition box set. Make sure to check out the tasting videos, links in the description. First up, we have La Noche Eterna. This is a perfect cocktail for Day of the Dead. You're going to have a smoky, rich, and slightly sweet with a citrusy tang. For this cocktail, you're going to need 2 ounces of Mezcal Firme Tepestate, 1 ounce of Mexican coffee liqueur, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, ½ ounce of agave syrup, some activated charcoal, add ice and shake vigorously. Start off by preparing your rocks glass and rimming it with lime juice and dipping it in the black lava salt. Strain your mix into your prepared glass and garnish with cempasuchil petals. This cocktail really reflects the deep soulful nature of Dia de los Muertos. Let's change it up with some complex floral notes. Next is Ofrenda Oscura. This cocktail is going to give you a complex with floral notes from the hibiscus. It's going to balance out with that madre quiche and touch of spice from the mole bitters. For this cocktail, you're going to need 2 ounces of Mezcal Firme's madre quiche, 1 ounce of hibiscus infused simple syrup, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, a ½ ounce of orange liqueur, and 2 dashes of mole bitters. Shake well with ice. Start off by rimming a coupe glass with the lime juice and black lava salt, and strain into your coupe glass. Garnish with the cempasuchil flower. And last, for your Day of the Dead cocktails, we have El Alma Negra. This is a vibrant tart cocktail with fruity undertones and a smoky finish. For this cocktail, we're going to use 2 ounces of Mezcal Pulquero by Firme Mezcal, 1 ounce of fresh pomegranate juice, ½ ounce of fresh lime juice, ½ ounce of agave nectar, 1/4 ounce of creme de cassis, black lava salt. Shake with the ice until it's well chilled. Rim a highball glass with your lime juice and black salt and strain it into your highball glass over ice and garnish with your cempasuchil petals. And there you have it. Impress your guests for this Dia de los Muertos with these 3 cocktails. If you try any of these cocktails, let me know what you think in the description below and tag us at Mezcal Buzz. And as always, thank you for watching and I'll catch you next time.